Here we go with a 24 by 24 branch. We're setting up the forms today. We'll pour it tomorrow. Should be a good day tomorrow. It's a little bit on the cool side today, but we'll stay warm working. Using 2x6 forms. They're 24 feet long. Actually, they're 24 feet 1.5, each one of those. So we just screw them together, overlapping them. It creates an exact 24 by 24 slab area. We'll put that together and continue on. Found grade stakes in. Try to come about 5 or 6 inches from the corner so that we have room to flex the form boards in or out to make sure they're nice and straight. Use some really rocky material here. You can see these have little holes that will run nails or screws through. So it's a good idea to get those lined up. Actually broke right through that stone. Now we'll run the transit rod around. We'll check for grade. Now that we have a string out there, we set it at 1 inch so we can move the form in or out and we'll get it perfectly straight. Then we'll do some hand shoveling. We are ready for plastic. Woohoo! So now we're going to tie off the rebar. It comes on a big roll with these twist ties. They come off individually like that. You see there's a loop on each end. We usually just put a little bend, goes under the rebar. Connect those 2 loops. As easy as that. Do all of rebar. 12 yards, 3,000 PSI concrete. Should be a fun day. It looks like a beautiful day coming up. Saw a neat little trick. They used a transit rod. Just saw it on a YouTube video. Out in the middle to see what the height is. We'll go and check this again with the rod, make sure we're good. Whenever you're blending in with two loads, you kind of have to make sure you pulled enough, because the first load tends to taper off over the edge, so you get a low spot if you don't pull that up enough to bring it up flat. So we've waited probably 2 hours since we've poured, and it's started to stiffen up pretty good. We'll give it a try, see how hard it is. This thing starts at first pull every time. Silly little dance you saw me doing, like going around in circles. If you go to the right with a power trowel and the concrete's soft, it really digs in and chews it up. So if you go to the left, there's less resistance, so it was easier to just go around and work my way back. But I wanted to go over it all and get it at least level the first time. So now we wait. hit this one more time and then it'll be perfect. Next thing is we'll come back, we'll strip the forms and put walls up and build a garage. 24 by 24, 2-car ranch to go with a house that's already here. It's a spec house. We have to have it done by probably the middle of next week. It's Wednesday now, so we should be able to get that. They've sold the house and the closing is on that Saturday. No pressure. But it's coming out really well. Pretty happy with it.